Morning mga Katolis Guide, tapos na yung tour namin ka Sir Angelo Aguas. So ginawa naming package to this one night. So medyo bitin sila sa papunta nila dito sa Siquijor kasi short time lang. Pero tanungin natin mga Katolis Guide kung anong masasabi nila dito sa Siquijor na short time yung punta nila dito.
Hello. Our stay here in Siquijor is unforgettable. It was just almost perfect, and the places we see are must-to-see places in your lifetime, especially the beaches, the waterfalls, and we were assisted by Mr. Tata, who was very generous with his time and who was very courteous to us.
Yes.
He's just like heaven sent that made our stay more memorable.
Yeah.
I highly
Beautiful.
recommend.
I do recommend him too.
I highly recommend that if
We
you have
all
if you have
so
chances to visit Siquijor, I believe there's no other person that can show you around with care and with good respect and generosity. It's Mr. Tata.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for
so-
being so
we
good.
really appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It was a very short visit, but we were able to experience what other experience in 3 or 4 days in a day visit.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
The
So-
companionship that we made is really wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
You treat us like nobody,
Yeah.
just like a relative and friend, which is almost we thought we just met, and then now we seem to be old friends.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All friends and family.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Very
much.
welcome.
That's why we're
Yes,
willing to give up our money.
So si
Thank
Ma'am,
you so much.
si Ma'am kahapon na-enjoy kasi nag-ferry walk pa si Ma'am eh.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yeah. So kinaya ni Ma'am nag-ferry walk
All
kasi
of us.
yun ang pinunta niya dito sa Siquijor. So mga ka-tourist guide, ingat po tayo. So sino pang hindi nakapunta na Siquijor dyan, try nyo si Kuya Tata, local legend na Siquijor. Shout out Ma'am Layhani sa pag-book sa akin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless us
Thank you,
all.
like honey.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.